always on my mind. I'm at your side. No matter what, you know, I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Caitlin and I upload 3 times a week. I upload 3 times a week on this channel. Once on a Wednesday, a Friday is a uni vlog, which is what today is, and then Sundays are my Unsolved Sunday mystery videos. So I'm starting off this new weekly vlog with my Monday. So Monday's always a little bit weird because I have a scheduled 10 to 11 lecture. If I go and stuff, because so I'm always up early and then I have the rest of the day to do a bunch of stuff. So it's about 2 o'clock now in the afternoon and I've just finished getting ready, like doing my proper hair and makeup and stuff for a video. I'm going to film a video for Wednesday. I'm going to film a haul video because, I mean, everyone loves a good haul video. It's actually in collaboration with a company, so I don't know if they actually want me to do it for Wednesday, but I'm going to film it just in case. And maybe if the lighting's okay, film a backup Wednesday video just in case. And then I would film Sunday's mystery video, but I've got Wednesdays. I never have anything Wednesdays. I'm timetabled free on a Wednesday, so I'm going to film Wednesday's mystery video then. So that's the plan. Then also Harry finishes a lab at like 5ish, I think, 4 or 5ish, and we need to go do our weekly food shop, so I'm going to pop to Aldi and meet him there, and then I need to catch up on a bunch of work tonight. So that is the plan for today. I'm just going to get with filming now. So I filmed the sit down clips for my try on haul. I just need to, on Wednesday, I'm going to film the actual like try on clips. So yeah, and I've also just filmed a clip for my uni outfits of the week video that I'm going to do for this week. So now I'm just surrounded by clothes, so I need to just put those away and then I'm going to change, and in a little bit go out to Aldi, but I just need to change because currently I'm in a nice top and joggers. That's just my usual filming attire, so yeah, I'm going to get changed now. Guys, so it's Wednesday afternoon, it's about 2 o'clock. I'm just in the process of filming tonight's video because I explained earlier in the video that I wasn't sure if the company that I was filming a haul for the other day wanted the video up tonight. But we're doing it another week because there's something else I've got to do. So I'm going to film an outfits video today. I've been collecting sort of outfits of the week footages, so I'm going to just film a couple more clips of my outfits and then put those all together. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do at the moment, and then I think that's pretty much it. I'm just going to do some more notes. Not a very interesting day. The usual day in my life. Hello guys, so it's Thursday. It's nearly like, I think it's about 2:30, nearly 3ish. I've just had a really slow day. I have a 2 to 3 lecture, but there was an email this morning saying that it had been cancelled because of the strike, so I didn't have to go into that. So I've kind of just been chilling. I sat down in the kitchen chatting to some of my housemates for a little while, and yeah, it's just been one of those mornings. I need to film Sunday's mystery video today. The lighting's still really good, thankfully, so that's what I'm about to do. Just getting ready, but I'm going home this weekend, kind of as a surprise. It's not like a big surprise, but basically my mum doesn't know I'm coming, so I'm kind of gonna go and just turn up because it's Mother's Day on Sunday. So I'm going to go tomorrow after my lab. I have a lab till 3. I mean, if it all works out, like, you know, as long as nothing goes wrong. I need to take my suitcase into my lab, so that's going to be very strange. I'm going to jump on the train. I'll probably get home quite late because it takes me about, from Stoke-on-Trent, it takes me about 5-ish hours to get back to Colchester. So as long as everything goes fine, it'll be alright, but that is the plan for tomorrow. So I need to get Sunday's video filmed today so that I can have it up ready for Sunday and I don't have to worry about filming it. I also need to film a couple of clips to add on to as overlay clips for my vlog for tomorrow. So that's fine, the lighting's really good, so at least it's going on that end. Harry's just come back from the gym and he's bought me a bubble tea, so I'm in a very good mood. I'm just going to finish up my makeup and get filming mystery video. I'm just going to pack my suitcase now, so I thought I would time-lapse that. Not very interesting evening, but that's how I'm ending the night. I don't know how well you can see, but my suitcase is all packed and I've got my outfit for tomorrow. I have now just got to pack my bag because, like I said, I've got a lecture in a lab tomorrow, and then I'm going straight to the train station from there. So I've got to remember to pack like all my toiletries and stuff in with my uni stuff in my backpack. So that's what I'm going to do now to make sure I don't forget anything, because knowing me, I'll forget something really, really important. Hey guys, so it's been a little while since I last filmed a vlog clip. I don't think I really vlogged much of my journey today. I'm always over worried, like over conscious about saving my battery so I can get home. And I didn't really explain that since my mum and my brother have moved house, they're still in Colchester but they've moved house, so I needed to make sure I had phone battery so I could actually like maps my way to the new house. So yeah, I didn't really vlog much of my travel today, but it was just really long. I had a lab till 3, so I had to go straight after that, and it's just long. I think I got to the house about 7:30, and it's about 9:30 now. I've just been sat with my mum and my brother just catching up and stuff. So yeah, I'm just about to take my makeup off and watch some Netflix and chill. Not really do much, maybe do some more lecture notes since it's not too late. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow when I'm out and about in Colchester. Hello everybody, so it's Saturday morning and I'm in Colchester. I think I vlogged last night. Basically it's just we've just been running errands all morning. There was a car issue, so we had to go to the car garage and all this sort of stuff, and I'm about to go out to Starbucks to meet my auntie and my cousin to have a little catch up with them. So that's the day. It's pretty chill, and then tonight I think I might be going out maybe for drink or food or something with my best friend, who I haven't seen in forever because she goes to uni in London, so that should be really exciting. So yeah, it's just really chill at the moment. I'm loving the new house, like it's just purely white. So yes, that is the plan today. So it's a little bit later now, it's like early evening time. I'm just waiting to be picked up by my best friend. We're gonna walk into town and just probably just go get some food or something. Me and Jake, my brother, ran into town earlier just to get like some gift bags and stuff for Mother's Day tomorrow. So yeah, it's just gonna be a pretty chill evening. I have no idea what we're doing, so we shall see. So it's about 7:30 and I'm back now from being out. We just went and had a chat in a pub. I had a Coke, very interesting. And I've just finished sorting out all the Mother's Day bits for tomorrow. I've picked up more in town today than I'd intended to for Mother's Day, so might have spoiled her a little bit, but you know, just gotta show your mother some appreciation. So yes, these are all out ready for tomorrow, and I'm in love with these marble gift bags. Like, they're definitely more for me than anything. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I might just, it's still early, so got my Jaffa cakes. I think I might just watch some Towie, chill for a little bit, maybe do some work later on, maybe do some more make essay if I'm feeling it. I just want to take my makeup off, to be honest with you, because I've just been moving about all day, so I just really want to take this makeup off and have a chill evening.